Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you, we just finished up this 2023 Range Rover Sport. It's amazing. It's blue with all the black trim. So all the badging, grills, everything's blacked out on it. Just an amazing truck. But the client, you know, typically in Illinois require a front plate, but you have to drill 4 to 6 holes in your brand new car. So what we do is we do this motorized plate. When you lock the car with the factory fob, the plate flips out. The client wanted to see as little of the plate as possible. In order to do that, it's got that slight angle to it, but it doesn't matter. Basically, all they're looking for is that you have a front plate on the vehicle. And then when we unlock it, so if I hit unlock on the factory fob, the plate goes away. And obviously from a standing position, you can't really tell that there's a plate on there at all. If you're interested in this or any of our other services, please give us a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.